We have reached the halfway mark in our fundraising activities, and on behalf of the entire congregation, we would like to thank the following people for their recent donations to our church restoration project. John Leon Gladson, Joseph and Jade Scarlett, Ardell Louise Frick, Pauline and Benny Sheldon, Carrie and Cindy Jackson, Jerry and Leanna Wallison, Barbara Kizik, Keith and Janice Otting, Russ and Sheila Ruby, Larry and Ricky Anderson, Richard and Charlotte Wallison, Ken Weaver, J.H. and Tanya Seitz, Barry and Jane Murphy, Kent and Kimberly Larson, Doug and Kayla Erbo, Jeff and Talana Erbo, Doreen and Nancy Cohen Nelson, and we had one anonymous donation. To hear more about our community of Denmark or to make a donation to our steeple project, go to gofundme.com and search for the Denmark Church. Services are held on Sunday mornings at 10:30, and we would love to have you join us.